I found a line and then it grew. I found myself still thinking of you. I felt so empty, now I'm fine, but it's still burning. When will you be mine? Hey everyone, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Hey, I want to teach you guys how to play a song by Trapt. Okay, this song was requested. This is called Stories. It's a really great punk song. I hope you guys like it. So, sorry I'm a little bit slow on these. I got a little bit backed up because I didn't have my guitar for the weekend. So, anyway, so let me know if you guys have any other songs or requests you'd like to learn. So, this song I'm not gonna tell you where you like sing, like where you do the chords and stuff. I'm just gonna show you the strumming patterns and the chords, like for the verses and the chorus and things, because it gets really complicated otherwise. Okay. So please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. Please also hit like if you enjoy the video. I really love it when people do that. So, but okay, let's get into it. So this song, you're going to do a power chord, okay? So just pointer finger on the A string on the 2nd fret, and then ring finger on D, and pinky on G, okay? And I'm muting the big E string, okay? So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Now I'll do that a little bit slower. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. See, I'm just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, just like that. That's actually the strumming pattern for the whole thing. Now it's going to be a little bit different in the chorus because you're going to be going. Okay, so you're going to be doing that. That's why it's going to be a little bit different there, but it's the same as strumming pattern. You're just switching chords faster for the chorus. But for the verses are super easy. Okay, so for the intro and verses, you're just going to do that 2 and then 4th fret. Okay, and you're just going to stay on the A, D, and G strings the entire song. Well, pretty much the whole song. But for all the actual chords, you do. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, so you're gonna do that. Now, if you want to play the 2nd guitar part over it, if you're pretty good, you'll be able to switch to it, and you're gonna be on. I'll show you that real quick. So you're gonna. Otherwise, you'll just keep playing the. Okay, so you're gonna go from 2, 4, 4. Okay, then you're gonna go stay on the same strings, go 4, 6, 6. But you're going 2. Okay, 2. This is 2, 4, 4. 6, 4, 4, 8, 6, 6. Okay, so you're just doing a couple. You just do. So you just go up 2 frets every time. 2, 4, 4, 6, 8, 8, and then 8, 6, 6. Or sorry, 6, 8, 8. Okay. And then what the picking part at the end where the 2nd guitar is doing so you're going to be on the G string, and you're going to be on the 11th fret. You're going to go 11, 9, 8, 9, 8, 4. Okay? So one more time. 11, 9, 8, 9, 8, 4. Just like that. And you're only staying on the G string for that whole one, okay? Alright, so that's how you play that one. Now, so that you would go through it once, actually twice, and then after the 2nd, where they do that in the song, that's when you'll start adding lyrics in, okay? So, and what I would do is just play a little bit softer for the chorus, or sorry, for the verses. So for the intro, it's a little bit louder, then they get softer during the chorus, okay? Then for the chorus, what you're going to do is you're going to start on 4, 2, 2, or sorry, 2, 4, 4. And then you're going to go up to 9, 11, 11. Okay. 4, 6, 6. And then you're going to go back down to 2, 4, 4. Okay, like that. So you're going to go, so it's 2, 4, 4, 9, 11, 11, staying on the same strings the whole time. 9, 11, 11. Then 4, 6, 6. Okay, and then 2, 4, 4, and then when you go for you, okay, for you is where you go up to 4, 6, 6 again. And then you just repeat that, okay? All right, then you go to same thing. So just 2, 4, 4, 9, 11, 11, 4, 6, 6, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6. Now, You could just go back after the 4-6-6 and you could just play the 2-4-4 if you don't want to do the picking. The picking isn't hard, so I'm going to show you. So I think it's easier if you put your ring finger, okay, on the A string on the 7th fret, and you're going to do E, D, okay, and then you're going to move it down 1 to the 6th fret, okay, so you're on 7-6. So the E string is open, but the A string, you're on 7, so you do 7, open, okay, then slide down to 6, 6, open, 4, open, and then what you're going to do is a power chord from there, all right, and you're just going to go, okay, and then you repeat that again, okay, so you don't have to do that. If it's a little bit hard, it would be, oh wait, let's see, there you go. So you wouldn't do a power chord, you'd actually do your pointer finger up here. You're going to do a bar chord, kind of like a power chord, but you're gonna bar from E on the 2nd fret, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the D string on the 4th fret and your pinky on the G string on the 4th fret. Okay. So it's okay then. Okay. So that's how that's going to go. So that's the chorus for you to learn. Now for the part under the solo for the bridge, you're going to be in 9, 11, 11 on those same frets, those same strings on A, D, and G, okay? So it's going to be 9, 11, okay, then 7, 9, 9, okay, then you're going to go down to 2, 4, 4. And after you do 2, 4, 4 for a while, you're going to go back up to 7, 9, 9. And then back down to 2, 4, 4. Okay, so you'll just play that once under the solo. Then you go back into the chorus, and then you're good. That's the song. So that's the way that the song ends. It ends with the chorus part where you do the picking. Sorry. And you can do that. You actually do it twice if you want to end it like they do, but that's how you play the song. So I hope that was in-depth enough. I was trying to do it in find a good medium, because otherwise I could have made this like a 20-minute tutorial. But I hope that you like it. Let me know if you guys have other requests. It's been fun learning this one. I'm getting to the other ones. If you have other requests, please let me know. And like I said, please hit like and subscribe so you can see more guitar tutorials. So thanks guys. See you next time.